We're going to be making some monster puppets, so gather your materials and let's get started. I'm going to start by folding my piece of paper in half, taking one side and meeting it to the other, making sure that it's nice and even, and then going ahead and making a crease right down the edge. We're going to be starting our monsters all the same way with a folded piece of paper and creating different lines for variety for each one. Now in this video I'm making 3 to show you the different ways that you can create your monsters, but you can make as many as you would like. When you begin drawing your body, make sure that you're beginning your very first line at the crease of the paper. You'll see why this is very important when we get to the cutting portion of our monster. Now we're going to cut out our monster. Keep your paper folded in half because then you only have to cut it out once. When we open up our paper, our monster will be symmetrical. That means it'll be exactly the same on both sides. Now it's time to give our monster some personality. I'm going to start by adding eyes, a nose, and a mouth. We'll add some color at the end. I'll have this idea sheet for you guys just in case you need some help with drawing out your monster face. It's time to color, baby, so go ahead and gather any coloring materials you may have. I'm just using markers for all 3 of my monsters, but if you would like to use paint or crayons or color pencils or oil pastels, whatever you have, that's up to you on how you want to add those colors. Now I'm adding some finishing details before I start to turn this little guy into a puppet. I'm using my Sharpie to add little zigzag lines all around my monster's body to give it the illusion that he has fur. I already have my piece of cardboard set aside that I'm going to be attaching to the back of my monster. I'm going to use tape just to keep it easy, but you can use glue if you have it. Taking my piece of cardboard, that's my support stick for my puppet, and just taping it right to the back. Now I'm using a popsicle stick on this one, but towards the end I changed it because it just wasn't enough support, but I guess you could always add more on the back. He's just really tall and flapped over. Again, on my last one, I'm taking cardboard and just taping it to the back like so, making sure that it is nice and secure.